guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping in. Guys, today I want to take you guys along with me and show you how to make this natural remedy for sperm booster. It's very good, very nice and nutritious, and they also help man to be strong in the bed and last longer in the bed. So guys, if you want to see all the ingredients I use, follow me and I will show you all the ingredients. And guys, please always check my description button. Follow what I write down, the instruction over there, before you can take anything, and always check on your doctor, okay? So guys, this is the 4 ingredients we are going to use to prepare the lovely smoothie drink. Over here is my powdered. I'm using powdered milk, 5 spoons of powdered milk. You can use fresh milk, you can use soya milk, any choice of your milk, okay guys? And I'm using half cup of groundnuts, water, and I'm going to use dates. Make sure that it's non-stick seed one, because the seed will spoil the blender. But if you have seed, just open it and take out the seed, okay? And I'm using 2 banana, very ripe banana. You can see how it looks. It must be very ripe banana, okay guys? So guys, this is the 4 ingredients we are going to use to prepare this lovely, healthy, nice drink. The drink, as I told you, it do a lot of things, guys. It helps to boost man's system, and it helps to boost man's sperm also, okay? So guys, let's start blending now. This is my blender. I've already washed the banana and my hand is clean, so I'm going to start cutting them into the blender now. So I'm adding the dates now, the groundnuts, and the powder. So I'm going to add water. I need to add more water. So I'm going to cover it now. I'm going to blend it until it's smooth. So guys, I've finished blending it now. So I'm going to turn it into a glass cup. If you want to drink it straight away, just add your ice cube. But if you are not drinking it, you just put it in the fridge. When it gets cold, you drink it. Guys, you can see how it looks like. Very rich and nutritious. So guys, this is it. This is all the ingredients put together. You can see how it looks. Guys, look after yourself and look after your health also. Is very good and very nutritious. And always check on your doctor before you take anything, okay? Because I'm not a doctor, but I'm showing you the local recipe I know about, okay, to boost man's sperm and make man to be stronger in the bed, okay guys? So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to me, and if you like the video, thumbs up for me, okay guys? and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay guys, love you all and remain blessed. Bye bye.